What's up, guys? Welcome back to another beautiful day at the Gruesome Garage. Even though we're not at the garage, we're out in the beautiful Pine Barrens in New Jersey. It's Memorial Day weekend and we thought we'd have some fun. Took the Jeep on the trailer and now we crawled our way out here.
Stop. If you can, creep up and then floor it. There's a big rock. I forget it. Back down. You're in a hole. You ain't getting out of that hole. Slow. Stop there, Jeff. Don't stop when you get up here. You're like on the rock. Watch it, you're gonna hit the tree. Tree. All right, I think it's time to give up. You're gonna hit the tree. You're gonna hit the tree. Stop. You want to come this way? You probably can't from where you are. You're gonna get stuck in that tree. Try to get over a little bit so you can back down the right way. Stop. Turn this way. Jeff, hold on, Mike. Back him up a little. No, this way. All right, Mike. Go for it, go for it. Pull, Mike, pull. Pull, 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 pull.
See what two-wheel drive can really do. Sounds good. I've been putting it in second because first is so freaking short. Let's see if he does the same. I know I need to.
remember to fill up with gas before you go.
It's full, yeah. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. Not this.
So first test run with the Jeep, not so great. Got stuck, and now we're stuck again. Piece of garbage.
Renix life.
Amateur builder here. What's wrong with it there, Chubba?
I don't know. That's not good. Look at the beautiful scenery, guys. Got a ton of animals back there. We're by Six Flags. It's a nice cruise powered by a 4.0. V6 that is. Well guys, it looks like definitely lost spark. There's got to be something wrong. I got it back. I got it to turn on for a second, and then immediately the RPMs disappear and then it shuts off again. I'm thinking that it's something to do with the distributor. I took off apart the distributor and it looked like it got really hot. So there was like a cracked off piece in it, and it looks like it was making connection, but I'm not getting any spark out of the coil to begin with. So got to start there and work our way back. But right now we got to make sure how to get home. So Mikey, our pal in front of us, is towing me back, and then we're about 40 minutes away with our truck and trailer. So we're gonna find a nice safe place to park the Jeep, cross our fingers, hopefully we don't lose anything, and go back to get the truck. Well guys, today was just a disaster from the beginning. When I came down, this is our shore house, came down here to go wheeling, test and tune in the Pine Barrens because it's a little nicer than rocks, and we really don't have any nice areas by us that the cops don't give us too much problems. So we came down here, wanted to enjoy the weekend, and I, never threw a front drive shaft in here because, I wasn't off-roading up in North Jersey, so why throw a drive shaft in? But I did grab two on the way. One, I have two spares from my old Jeep, and idiot me, assumed that they would bolt right in. But of course, the manual transmissions are shorter than the the automatic transmissions. So I had the front drive shafts from an automatic transmission with these axles. I stretched the front. I thought that they'd be long enough, but they're too long. So, if we had the welder down here and everything, would have been wham bam, shorten it up. It's no big deal. The front drive shaft doesn't even spin anyway, since I have lockouts when it's driving. So you really only need it in four-wheel drive. So number one, that happened. Number two, we drive out there, no big deal. It's about a 40-minute drive from here. Didn't think to take the truck or trailer. Why? Nothing wrong. I'm not gonna break anything. Brought a bunch of tools, thinking if something came loose because we were wheeling. And this is the first time. I have gone through everything since I've been driving it on the road, but with wheeling, you don't know what happens. So drove it there, no problems. Wheeled for 5 minutes. Got hungry and aggressive with a couple of hills. Did not do well, as you guys can see, because number one, I didn't air down. I didn't want to air down because I wanted to drive it home, and I didn't feel like stopping at a gas station just to fill it back up. And lost spark. Let my brother drive. Nothing to do with him, not his fault, but he hit something real hard, I guess jostled something, and lost spark. So with the limited amount of tools I had, I don't have a multimeter or anything down here. I didn't think that this would be a problem. I thought maybe something that I did would be a problem, because I've never had it lose spark before, but it's got 140,000 miles on it, so I'm assuming it's something, or it jostled the ground loose. But as far as I could see in the woods, nothing. So guys, tune in next time and you'll see why this thing broke. And I promise you guys, it will never happen again. Next time we go wheeling, it'll be a fun time. and maybe we'll break some other things that are worth breaking. Not this. This is what bothers me. Like, it was beyond my control. Tune in.